before you deposit on stake, you need to know the rules about withdrawing. So I'm going to be showing you the new rules about withdrawing. Like I said in my previous video, that I'll be showing you the new rules about withdrawing. You know, the main reason why you are going to stake and doing all these things is to withdraw, not to deposit. Withdrawing is the most important thing. So before I did the last video, I deposited, I mean 2 videos ago or something like that, I deposited 78 euro. So let's see what they said. So if you want to withdraw, you go to your wallet, click on the wallet, then you see the withdraw button here. So you click on withdraw. So when I clicked on withdraw, you see wager in progress. Before you can withdraw your, you need to wager an amount equal to your deposit. For example, you deposit 100, you wager 100 before withdrawing. This requirement is in place, money laundry stuff. So those days somebody can just send you money, if you register under somebody's link, the person can deposit, like credit you like bonus, then you can withdraw it immediately, or you can just even deposit and withdraw immediately. But now you need to wager all the amount before you can withdraw. So before I was in 60 something percent, but I did the challenge and I went to, I'm not 50 something percent wager progress. Then I did challenge, I went to 74%. So let me try and do a challenge and try and see if I can meet the threshold and be able to withdraw my funds for today. So let me just go and try the challenge. Let me try and do maybe a martingale or whatever. So I'll just go and do the normal way I used to do. So yeah, my auto, I'll just use 0.5, then advanced, whatever. So let me see if I can wager some amount, then I'll be able to withdraw. I think I might have been able to wager the amount. So let me check. With getting 10, you see, I just made $2 so quick. Sorry. Oh, I'm almost there, 97%. Let me wager a little bit. And let me see if it's still there. So I just need a little bit wager. So let's see. Let's go to wallet. Then withdraw. Yes, you can see that I've wagered the amount and I can withdraw it. So I can just withdraw the max. Then what I'll do is that I'll go to my Binance and copy the address. And yeah, so in order to withdraw to my Binance, I'm going to be using my Binance to receive my funds from my stake. So I'll just click on, let's say, funding or sports, and go to funding here. Then it's going to appear the list of cryptocurrencies that are available or that I've recently used. Let's wait for it to be here. You can see TRX, that was the one I sent. Like, then you click on these 3 dots here, then you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you select the address. Let's say TRC. I want to use TRC, TRX. Yeah, TRC 20. So I'll just click on it, and I'll copy my address here. Then once I copy it, you can see I need to deposit at least 0.99 TRX. Even though I don't think I can withdraw less than that. So then I'll go to my stake here, then paste the address. Then I have to verify with Google before I can withdraw. So we verify with Google. Yes, so successfully verified. Then click on withdraw. You see, your withdrawal is complete. Your requested amount is on its way. So I withdrew the amount. Let's see how long it will take for me to get for it to get there. So let me go to my Binance. Yes, you can see that the withdrawal is completed. Started the challenge. They removed their fees because I had to withdraw 110. So they removed fees of, that's why I like TRX. This one TRX fee that they removed is, or 50 0.50 TRX they remove is nothing compared to sometimes if you use USDT, they can remove a whole USDT. And me, I'm particular about all those one USDT and all, they are like huge something to me. So you can see the deposit was completed. Say okay, let me go back. Let me see if I go to spot. Yeah, the the it, it is on my sports wallet, so you can see the withdrawal I made now is on the sports wallet, so that's gotten there. So if I want to convert and change it to any cryptocurrency of my choice, I can just click on convert and do just that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe and share to people that might need it, and turn on the post notification to see you in the next one. Bye.